Well, alam niyo po yung Born to Shine, and it's a really good story. Hindi siya yung typical musical na show, but may talagang musical aspect. And ako po doon, parang nakita ko na how I will help the show is really, it's a perspective of Zeth and her beautiful character there. So we will see how she will shine. And siguro din lang po ako to show the side of showbiz as a singer and stuff like that. And natutuwa po ako that I was a part of that. Yes, there's so much pressure. Afternoon pa nga on GMA. So talagang, ang gusto lang po namin ihatid sa mga kapuso and sa mga viewers yung story about dreamers to inspire them and sana matuwa po sila.
Magaling ng mga singers.
Mga legends. Oo, yung nanay ko doon, Ma'am Rosal na. And ako naman po, hindi ako singer, pero gusto ko talagang i-justify yung character ko doon. He is a singer there, so I try my best. So go-workshop ako para at least mabigay ko yung kailangan ko ibigay.
Paano mo na-handle yung schedule mo din lahat? Yung mga, aside from mga, siguro may mga personal ka rin mga...
Naku po, parang wala na yung personal eh.
Wala na, kayo na work talaga.
Yeah, sa ngayon po talaga, I'm so thankful. Nakapagpahinga naman ako at the start of the year, and nung umuwi ako ng Pilipinas talagang dire-diretso na siya. And siguro, it's a good problem, it's really a blessing, and I'm just here to fight habang kaya pa lumalaban lang.
Ini-enjoy mo na yung buhay mo sa showbiz ngayon? Kasi di ba parang daming opportunities sa'yo?
Siguro po itong phase ko sa career ko ngayon na talagang I'm building to work on my goals to become a leading man and to position myself in a good position sa showbiz. Talagang masaya ako, in-enjoy ko lang yung journey. Minsan sinasabi po ako in advice sa mga veterans na enjoy nyo lang yung journey paakyat kumbaga. And for me, thankful lang, one step at a time. Alam kong I have a lot to work on, work in progress pa ako, pero masaya ako sa progress. So,
Pero pa sa hosting naman, ang galing mo na sa hosting eh.
salamat po.
Parang lahat na lang gusto mong pasukin.
Alam niyo po yung hosting kasi biglaan yun last year when I...
Personal atake ni Arnel.
Biglaan siya when I hosted the Filipino Music Awards in Metro Manila Film Fest. It's really a passion of mine, and siguro pag nabibigyan ako ng opportunity, alam niyo naman po, madaldal ako. So nag-enjoy lang ako pag nasa stage, and yeah, sana mas ma-explore ko pa po yung hosting.
Pero Michael, naniniwala ka kami sikat ka na kasi iniintriga ka na.
Wow!
Anong intriga yan?
Yes, ang dami ng mga napapansin sa'yo, mga like laki na rin ng pinagbago mo, yung mga ganun ng mga lumalabas na mga kwento.
Yeah.
Mga attitude ka na raw.
Wow!
Ano ba, are you aware of it? Yung mga minsan yung mga issue, lumalabas ng mga ganung kwento.
Well, you know, I always listen to the people ahead of me, kumbaga the pillars of the industry. And nung nagsimula po ako, ang dami na talaga mga background noise, kumbaga. And kung masasabi nating intriga, hindi yan maiwasan sa showbiz. I'm just thankful that there's people watching and keeping an eye out on me. Whether it be good or bad, talagang kailangan niya natin harapin kasi ganun ang showbiz. And I'm just really focused on my goal. Alam kong yung totoo will always prevail, the truth always prevails. And you know, sometimes talaga there will be misconceptions or even rumors spread about you. But you know, the people that I work with, and Papa P was the one who told me this, na maging mabuting tao lang at yung mga tao mo sa paligid mo ang talagang magsasalita for you. And ako, I don't need to defend myself in terms of the negativity because I know I work with positivity and I fight for rights, stuff, and talagang, kumbaga, hindi ako nagtatrabaho ng unprofessional. That's something that I really keep to myself na that's something I value in this industry, no? So, ayun po, minsan I make mistakes but we learn from it and we grow.
Sino yung mga veteran na sinasabi mo nag-advise sa'yo? You mentioned Piolo Pascual,
Yeah.
So sino pa yung mga...
Yung talagang number one po is Tita Connie for me. Actually, she was messaging me the other day.
Connie Reyes.
Tita Connie Reyes, kasama ko po siya sa isang serye.
Oo.
Nagtago sa kanya Lola, and sinabihan niya talaga ako na darating yung panahon na marami kang harapin, mga mabubuti man or mga not so good, right? So, she always told me to keep my faith up, to always pray for guidance, to always be level-headed. And siguro yung bihira lang kami magkita, actually hindi kami nakikita often, pero nagte-text talaga kami. And na-appreciate ko yun kasi parang reminders niya talaga sa akin is to always stay grounded, to always pray, and I appreciate that and namimiss ko na siya.
Pero hindi maiwasan na apektuhan ka ba sa mga intriga?
Well, alam niyo po, mahirap ma-distract eh. Siguro sa ngayon sa schedule na bihira na nga magka-personal time, I just want to focus during taping, mga events na ganito. Kasi sayang eh, ayaw ko sayangin yung opportunity. Minsan ginagamit yan to hinder us. But ako, I'm just focused on my goals, working hard and working with the truth.
So not true.
Hindi yan totoo.
Sinabi ni Ford.
Kayo pa, alam niyo yan.
dami mo nang na-prove, Michael, diba? Nagbida ka na sa Shining, ano. Happy ka ba sa bidding ng movie? Kasi ako napansin ko parang...
Alam niyo po, ganun talaga, we have to start in places and siguro this is my first movie talaga na may lines ako, may mga eksena and I'm just so grateful. Nagsimula pa ako bilang extra sa Disney Film before sa Canada and natutuwa na ako na naglalakad ako sa likod ng mga bida and ngayon part na ako ng billing. Kung maliit man o malaki, wala akong minamatanggal. Kumbaga, everything is a good opportunity. And for me, I'm just happy that I'm a part of this and I'm here to learn from it and maybe in the future mabigyan din tayo ng opportunity.
So, you mentioned nga wala ka ng time din sa personal, pero are you going to give time din sa love life mo, sa puso
No, I
mo?
love that question kasi, you know, I'm 23, I'm young, and as much as I want to really love, wala talagang oras siguro priority ko ngayon, kung dumating man siya at kaya na maintindihan yung schedule ko, yung buhay ko ngayon, I will give it. But at the same time, talagang hindi yun yung focus na yung priority. Talagang importante for me to just stay focused and ayun, yung love life, hopefully it comes. I always pray because minsan we get lonely, di ba? And masaya din na may kasama ka. Pero so far, I am single and masaya po.
So,
Pero
no dating.
don't-
No dating so far.
And you're single na.
And I'm single, yes.
Single ka
Ah?
na pala. Single ka na pala.
Wala na pala
Kailan
kayo.
pa?
Kailan?
Sexy niya ngayon
Wow!
Kailan pa, Michael?
Nagpapawisan na ako.
Napansin mo na sexy siya ngayon.
Sino ba yung tinutukoy natin?
Sino ba yung lagi mo nakasama?
Kasi...
Marami naman nakasama yun.
Kasi ano?
Kasi nga.
Kisa na yan sa intriga.
Hindi, may communication pa.
Ay, well, ano naman po kami, we always try
Mafia.
to talk and
Si Cassie.
Si Mina na lang.
Si Zoren.
well, congratulations to them for successful run in their serye.
At pinalitan niya.
Ating kapatid.
Oo, ating
And yeah, I mean, once in a while, nakita ko siya sa MMFF. Congratulated her with all her success. And yeah, napakaganda, di ba? I mean, she's beautiful. She's really looking good and I'm happy for her.
Hanggang dun lang. Friends pa rin.
Friends pa din.
Pero Michael, ano lang reaction mo? Kasi yung closest niyo ni AC, nabigyan ng mali siya before.
AC?
AC Bonifacio.
AC, yeah. You know, in Pinoy Big Brother kasi it's really hard to really get the truth sa perspective ng tao kasi perspective yun ng editing kung ano man ang mangyari. But me and AC, we were just so genuine with each other and I always say na nagmukhang may mali siya or stuff like that. But alam namin kasi yung totoo, we were just really close. But imagine, that dalawang taga Vancouver nakita sa Pinoy Big Brother house. Parang such a crazy thing to happen. So ayun, we got close, makulit din siya, makulit din ako. So ayun, wala naman po kaming sinasaklang ibang tao. And after naman, we still talk, we see each other. But you know, she's in ABS, so bihira lang po kami mag-uwi.
So hindi ka ang cause.
Hoy, wala yan!
Sige, congrats sa Born to Shine, ha?